And since you bring in Mohammad Sami, Dada, he was absolutely phenomenal. Yes, he got carted, especially that 19 runs in the 44th or the 45th hour, I remember. But the way he bounced back, that was heartening, because we haven't seen that too much from an Indian pacer in the slog overs.
Yeah, absolutely, and he picks wickets. He's got another 4 wickets for you this game, and the best thing about Mohammad Sami is just he keeps getting better and better. You see improvement every time, every series he gets better. You look at Virat Kohli when he came as a young player. Every series, every year he became a better batsman, and look where he is now. And I see the same trend in Mohammad Sami as well. He just keeps getting better, and I think for me he's a terrific find for India.
Nadeem, you talk about Sami, he's done well, Bhuvneshwar Kumar is doing well. What is going wrong with Ishant Sharma, you know, with the kind of experience that he's got, and in overseas conditions where some of the quicker bowlers, you know, enjoy bowling, but somehow, you know, we just feel that he hasn't been amongst wickets, or he's just looking a little out of sorts.
See, I will not judge Ishant Sharma just on the basis of this game. You know, I completely agree with you that he's been around for a very long time. He's played more than 50 test matches, and when you get to such stage and when you have so much backing of your captain and of your selectors, you need to produce a lot more consistent results. He's a senior most bowler in this team, and if you look at his bowling stats in one-day cricket, every 2 or 3 games he would go at 9s and 8s and over, which is too much for Mahendra Singh Dhoni to cover up. You can cover up it in India, where the spinners bowl well, where the wickets are turning. But once you start going overseas, if your main fast bowler goes for 8 and 9 and over, because if you look at the bowling attack, you can Dhoni doesn't bowl Bhuvneshwar Kumar in the depth. So it's more so that Ishant Sharma will have to stand up, because it cannot just depend on Mohammad Sami all the time, because the day he gets carted, India will be under a lot of pressure and chasing a lot. If you look at what's happened in the last 8 or 9 games for India, you take the home series against Australia, you take the 3 one-days in South Africa, and now this one-day in New Zealand. India must have given more than 380% of the games, which is not a very good sign for any captain.
Well, that certainly isn't a good sign, but it seems that we've run out of time to discuss cricket with Saurav and Nikhil. But there's a lot more left on Let's Play, especially Novak Djokovic impersonating his new coach and tennis legend.